Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. When we disagree with someone, when we have a difference, when we perhaps have an opinion that is different from theirs, we don't need to become derogatory. We don't need to swear them. We don't need to call them names. We don't need to be abusive, because that just shows that we need help. Now the problem is, this is happening with scholars and with students of knowledge, where when they disagree with an opinion of another, no matter who he is, no matter where he's from, no matter where he studied, no matter what he studied, no matter what his opinion is, you can present the truth and you can refute what you believe is false with respect. That's my message. And it's a powerful message, because we tend to start using cheap, derogatory words. Sometimes we want to try and name and shame, and in the process we lose the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. When he wanted to teach, he always taught in a positive way. He did not use vulgar words. He did not use derogatory terms. He did not call someone, a dog or a cow or a moron or things of that nature. But he used respectful terms to explain why they were wrong, and he tried not to mention names when he was teaching the people or correcting them. The people who went to the wives of the Prophet ﷺ asking them questions, and they wanted to find out about how pious they should be. So, and as a result, they made some promises, and the Prophet ﷺ, when he heard about it, he came back and he says, people said X, Y, and Z. However, I am a messenger of Allah, and I am the most conscious of Allah from amongst you, yet I don't do that. I actually do it this way. So instead of saying these guys were wrong, they're dogs, astaghfirullah, that doesn't even come out of his mouth, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Instead of calling them bad names and refuting people in that way, where he tries to belittle the person. What is your aim? Is your aim to teach the truth? If it is, well, say the truth. Is your aim to refute falsehood? Well, if it is, then refute the falsehood in a respectful way. The reason why the public does not like to listen to people who refute others in a derogatory way is because it becomes too cheap. It becomes too low. Remember, when a person's made a mistake, 5 mistakes, 10 mistakes, a few mistakes, those are some mistakes. Our intention should be to try and correct them by presenting the truth in a very, very palatable way, in a very attractive way. Because the Quran speaks to us saying, "Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal maw'izati al hasana wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan." That when you're calling towards the path of your Maker, when you're calling towards what is right, then you should call towards the path of Allah or the path of your Maker with wisdom. And this wisdom is of the highest level. Like Allah says, وَمَنْ يُؤْتَ الْحِكْمَةَ فَقَدْ أُوتِيَ خَيْرًا كَثِيرًا. Whoever is granted wisdom, hikmah, has been granted a lot of goodness, or a tremendous good. So it goes to show that when you have knowledge, but you have arrogance, you tend to want to belittle people and show, no, this guy is totally wrong. That's his name, and he is not supposed to be belonging to the faith of Islam. He's totally out of the religion, and that's it. And you guys, this guy is absolutely no-go area. What's your aim? Would you like to correct the person? If you want to do it, do you think you would listen to someone who called you bad names, someone who just threw you out of the ummah, someone who had something nasty to say about you? I don't think you would listen to it. So therefore, have good words to say and try to correct someone in a respectful way. Ma balu aqwam is a statement of the Prophet ﷺ, that what is it? Some people are saying this and saying that. I am the most conscious of Allah from amongst you, and this is what I do. He didn't even say these guys are wrong, these guys are this and that, and that's That's the sunnah. So that verse I was reading, you call to the path of Allah with wisdom. وَالْمَوْعِظَةِ الْحَسَنَةِ, and with a good reminder, good words, that which is absolutely beautiful. Al-Hasana, which means that which is good.